Hello traders, welcome. In today's session, I am going to use a 1-minute strategy, and this strategy is quite simple. I am going to enjoy completing today's session on this strategy. In this strategy, I will use 2 indicators and 1-minute trade on 15 seconds candle. This is the method of this strategy. I have completed several sessions using this method, and sometimes I had to struggle during the volatility market. But this method has always been very helpful for me, so I thought I would complete today's session once again using this method. So in this method, first of all, I have to add Keltner channel and also zigzag indicators, because with the help of these 2 indicators, I will get to know about overvaluation and oversold, and also I will keep an eye on support and resistance zones. So its settings can be set by looking at the screen as well. There is no need to talk about it in any detail, just knowing how to use this strategy is a very important point. Because today, in this session, I am going to talk about the things that are required while using this method, and today's session will also be completed on this method. So here I have completed all the settings. I have created 20 promo codes for the first 20 lucky traders. If you also want to join this, you can collect it from Free Signal Telegram. This is only for a limited time. I don't need the AI button, so I'll cut it out. Now, I start today's session on this strategy, but for that, first of all, I have to find a good chart where my entry can be winning. So here I got a very good chart to place the first entry. In this chart, I got almost all the confirmations to place the entry. Like here, the market has stopped near the lower line of the Keltner channel, which tells me that the market has now entered the oversold zone, and now the buyers are becoming stronger. There is another good confirmation for this, like the market is flowing sideways here. Now the candles are near the support level, so now there is a high possibility of the chart going up from here. That is why I have taken an entry of $650 in the upward direction here. And within a short time of placing the entry, the chart showed a very good movement, and now the chart is flowing above the entry, and this is a good sign, because now the expiry time is very less, and the candles are flowing rapidly in the upward direction, which is indicating that the entry is a win. And very good. My first entry here has been successful. Now I will look for the next entry where I again get a simple and good movement chart. So this time, the candles have broken the lower line of the Keltner channel in a very good manner, which shows a strong selling position, and it has also broken the previous support. This shows that strong selling conditions are prevailing in the market. Hence, I thought of placing an entry here in the downward direction. Excellent, my entry here has been successful, but I will wait for a while on this chart because sometimes after a breakdown, the market creates a new resistance near the previous support and starts flowing in the downward direction again. If the market creates the same conditions on this chart as well, then I will get another chance to place an entry. So the same condition occurred here. That is why I placed the entry here. But when such conditions are there, then there is a greater possibility of the market falling till the middle line of the Keltner channel. That is why I waited here properly. And when the market started falling after reaching the middle line by forming a red candle, then I placed the entry at the right place. And as I analyzed here, the market showed very good movement, and my entry here has won again. So there is a very strong upward movement, as can be seen here. The candles have broken out the upper Keltner line in a very strong manner, and have also almost broken out the previous resistance here. And one more thing, due to the candles showing a very strong position here, it appeared to me that the market is more active in the upward direction. That is why I placed an entry here in the upward direction. So unfortunately, my amount has been refunded here, no problem. Now I will look for a new entry on the next chart. So in this chart, the market appears to be moving upwards, almost like the previous movement. And after touching the lower channel of the Keltner line, it is showing a strong upward movement. Analyzing the movement on this chart seems a bit difficult, but after looking at the overall trend, things become a little simpler for me. So unfortunately, my entry here has been lost. So this time, I have placed a double entry at $650 in the downward direction because there is an overall downtrend movement going on here. After touching the upper Keltner line, the market again starts flowing in the downward direction. And this time, also the market is flowing in the downward direction from the upper line. So this was a good opportunity for me. So here, the market came near the previous resistance and formed a strong red candle, which is a good sign of a downtrend market. And I saw here that the market is unable to break the previous resistance. So I placed a triple entry here, and now a very strong fall is being seen in the market. And it is great that my entry here has been successful in a very good way. So I like this strategy a lot. I use it whenever I feel like it, but I would like to give you one advice. You should try it in a demo account. Only then you will be able to know about this strategy in detail.